Hi everyone, welcome into SK World. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about Pytest CLI commands, which are essential for running, managing, and customizing your Python test cases efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Q engineer, understanding these commands will help you execute test faster, filter specific tests, and generate reports. So let's begin. First, create a new file. For creating a new file, right click on project folder, new, and then click on Python file. Now enter file name test underscore demo and then click on Python file. In Pytest, you need to write the file name which start with test underscore. Now I will explain step by step, run the basic test, and then CLI commands. So first terminal, open terminal, and then you need to install Selenium. So first we will install Selenium. For installing Selenium, you need to open terminal and then enter pip install dash u Selenium. Dash u is used for installing latest package. Click on enter, it will install Selenium. Here you can view we are getting error. So let's check why we are getting, because we need to enter capital U and then click on Selenium. This command is used for installing Selenium. Now it will install. As you can view here, a new release of pip is available. This is for installing pip version. So we can verify the version of Selenium by just type here pip show Selenium. This is the command for checking the version. As you can view here, name Selenium, and this is the version. For summary, you can visit official. This is the official website, and here you can view author email license. This all the details of version you can view by pip show Selenium. This is the command for checking the Selenium. Now I will explain step by step how you can write the test. We will write basic test now. First, here import Webdriver from Selenium. Import Webdriver from Selenium dot Webdriver dot common dot by, and then import by for getting element. Now import service for installing browser from Selenium dot Webdriver dot Chrome dot service, and then import service from Webdriver underscore manager dot Chrome, and then import Chrome driver. This is for installing automatically Chrome browser. First, we will import Pytest. Import Pytest. Import Pytest framework for test automation. Now, we will use fixtures for setup and tear down. Pytest fixtures is used to set up and tear down. At the rate Pytest dot fixture. For running the test, what we need to do here, we need to open browser, and after executing all the test cases, we need to close the browser. So here we will use fixture and round bracket. Now we will use service Chrome driver manager for automatically download the Chrome driver and open the Chrome browser. Driver is equal to Webdriver dot Chrome service is equal to service round bracket, inside this round bracket Chrome driver manager dot install, and then round bracket. Here you can view import Chrome driver. So here we will import Chrome driver manager. We can use here Chrome driver and then enter here Chrome driver manager. Now this service will automatically download the correct Chrome driver. First open the browser, and here we will use while driver. Provide the browser instance to test function driver, and then close the browser after running all the test cases driver. As you can view here in this block, we will define open the browser and then close the browser. By using fixtures, you can define here driver.quit, which is used for close the browser. Can click on here. Now write the basic test first. Here function and def best underscore login, then browser. Open Chrome browser. First, we will navigate to this URL and verify this parabank title should be displayed when open this URL. So copy this URL. First, we will navigate to this URL browser.get, which is used for navigating to the URL. You can open the URL by using this line, then verify assert. Assert is used for validating this title should be displayed after open this URL, and the title is parabank. Assert double quote parabank in browser dot in browser dot title. Now add another test case. Write another test case. Click on this admin page. As you can view, this is the link. So we can locate this element by link test. You can locate by link text or partial link text. Copy this text, which is admin page. Def test underscore admin browser. Navigate to this URL. So here we will navigate to this URL first, and then click on admin link. Search. I can here write any variable name like admin is equal to browser dot find element. First is here find element browser dot find underscore element by dot. As you can view here, multiple locators: name, ID, path, xpath. This is the link. On hover, you can view here. This is ahref. This is link. For clicking on this link, you need to use link text. Link text, and this link text is admin page. Now we will just click on this link. So here we will use admin and use click method for clicking. Admin dot click. Now we have successfully write these two test cases. First, install correct Chrome driver, and this is for closing the browser when all the test case execute successfully. And this is the line for verify this data should be displayed, which is parabank. And the second test case, click on this admin page. Now I will explain step by step CLI commands. First, when you write just Pytest, clear all the text. If you enter here Pytest, it means it run all the tests in the project. In this file, total two test cases. Suppose you want to run all the test cases. So you need to enter command here Pytest. It will run all the test cases. As you can view here, test underscore demo. This is the file name. First, it will navigate this URL and verify this title should be displayed, which is parabank. One test case executed successfully. Now, it will run the second test case. It will open the Chrome browser and then click on add page and then close the browser, because here we define driver.quit. And the second command is pytest-v. Pytest-v run all the tests and you can view output. Here two passed because we have total two test cases in this file. Pytest-v running the test case. As you can view here, in by using this command you can view test underscore demo and then test case name. One test case passed. Now you can view here all the steps by using this command pytest-v. Click on the admin page and these two test cases have been passed. And other command we can use here if you want to run a specific test case. Suppose you want to run only this test, you need type here pytest dash k and then enter this test case name. This is the keyword test by keyword. Now we will run the test by this keyword, which is test underscore login. By using this command, you can run a specific test. Click on enter. One deselected and one selected, because here we enter test file name. Let's again run the test. We are getting 502. Again run the test. Navigate to this URL and it will run the test. As you can view here, open one selected and one deselected, because we enter here command pytest-k and this is the test name. You can view here test underscore login and this second test case is skipped. That's all for today tutorial on pytest commands. You have learned how to run test filter by test names. These commands are powerful tools that will save you time and make your testing process much smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.